to another video. Audrey Fox Spirit 17 and
Loki
Bobcats.
Playing Jurassic World
guys,
Legos.
Today we're playing Jurassic World, the game.
Lego.
Comment down below if you're familiar with this game. Okay, guys?
Okay.
And subscribe to my channel and Audrey's.
Okay, that little guy right there is kind of odd. What is he?
He's DNA.
Oh, he's DNA.
The building blocks of life. Okay, guys.
Ooh, Jurassic World.
Jurassic Park. And then I'm going to Jurassic World.
Ooh.
Maybe. Depends.
That DNA guy is back.
Guys, if you look up close, you could see a baby. You can see a 10 baby T-Rex. This is just a miniature. No, this is just a miniature of the actual thing, Audrey.
Oh.
But that is a grown-up T-Rex. And if you look, and you can see a little cars. Okay, people,
This is more.
we gotta go this way.
Impress me. He's trying to impress me on this game.
Yeah, you're gonna be impressed.
Well, let's see if I am.
He's more likely to. Yeah, he's back. It's weird. Okay, guys, if you look up close, that is actually the volcano that if you're familiar with Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom, well, that is the volcano that exploded.
And that there was not my finger, that's Loki's.
Yes. Don't worry about my finger. And that DNA guy. If you don't know this, but DNA is the building blocks of life. Right, Audrey? Okay, guys, let's go. Audrey, you want to be impressed?
Yep, impressed.
I'm gonna press you with a dinosaur.
I'm just gonna say you have to impress me with a dinosaur. I'm just gonna say that.
But first, I'm gonna choose my character I want to be for this video.
I think I just heard the T-Rex roaring.
Guys, if you don't know the name of this gun, it is a shotgun taser.
Oh,
Search it up on Google. You can find like a whole bunch of these. But it's kind of like just props for Jurassic World. But it's different for Jurassic World. I like the Jurassic World ones kind of better.
If you don't want to get wet during the show, then please sit in the upper much like whales.
You impressed?
kinda. No. So that's actually 1 point for me. 1 point for you.
Oh, bye guys.
Bye guys. Gotta go.